Hi, today I have a interesting love padlock. It's a trivial combination padlock, small one. Here saying padlock 20 crowns. This is like more or less 20 US dollars. Then, sorry, not 22 US dollars. And it's where it is? Here is Dollarstore.se and instruction is to the 000 is the combination, 90 degrees, and the picture how we're going to reset the lock or set another combination. Article number 33150, of course made in China, but it's interesting, cool love lock. So let me open the padlock and let's try and see if it's worth it $2. Probably not. It's a Chinese one, but let's see. But it's a very cool one. It's what do you say? Quality check pass 04. Interesting. So it was open 000. So let me check if it's working. Yeah, it's working. It's a pretty light one, small one. So let's yeah, let me try to change the combination and let's try to decode it if that's even possible. Sometimes the Chinese ones, because they're so badly made, they are, let me put this in, yeah, good, and they are very hard for me to decode it. But let's see what is going to happen with this one. I will put its usual 000 and I'll try to pull it. I can try with my fingers. If not, I will grab some padlock. So let's check. Let's first try to decode it. Okay. Immediately movement on the 01. Let's try other numbers. No false gates. So probably 0 was the first number. Yeah, 0. Let's check the second wheel. 8 maybe? No. 9? No. 2? Yeah. 2, 1, 2, 5. This is very fast. It's very crappy China. Let me see if it's at least they shielded this part. I think yes. What about this one? Yeah, I cannot insert this small wire, so that's good. Let's check if we can 1, 2, 5 we can insert a shim. Yeah, it can be insert. Nothing on one. Small move on 4, but I don't think that's something. Yeah, I don't think that this has like a, let me check on another side. Yeah, probably this cannot be. Yeah, this is shielded on this side, so I think this cannot be decoded like that, but it can very easily decode it because there is only one gate, there is no false gate. So interesting, very interesting one. So yeah, that was the love lock from the, how it's called, from the dollar store. It's a $2, not $1, but it is what it is. It's a very cool, interesting one, crappy one to be honest, but it's a cool gift. No, cool love lock maybe for the bridges, but don't do that, they're very heavy. So yeah, thanks for watching, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.